Hello everyone. In our last video, we saw about if statements and its importance. Today, we will see the continuation of it, else statement and elif statement. So let's consider the same example of yesterday. So if the car is at distance less than or equal to 2 centimeter of this obstacle, then the car must stop, right? For that we used if statement. So what if the distance between the car and the obstacle is not less than or equal to 2? We didn't define anything for it, right? For in that case only else statement come into picture. Else statement, what it will do is, for any condition that is not defined. So for if a condition is defined and for that condition is response is given, that's what if statement do. If condition is unsuccessful, if the condition is not met, then else statement will execute it. So let's see how to declare it and execute it. So we'll take the same example, distance between equal to 5. If distance between is less than or equal to 2, print stop. This is the example we saw yesterday, right? So if we run it, as you can see, we didn't get any output. Why we didn't get any output? Because the condition is false here. This condition is not met here. So we must write what the program must do if the condition is unsuccessful also. So we will write the else statement. The syntax of else statement is similar to if statement only, but we don't have any condition there. So this is the syntax of else statement. Else response. Here also indentation must be there. So you must not put any condition here, because for any condition that is not met, else statement will get executed. So here else, let's say the response is we should move forward. So print move forward. So if we run, now you got the output move forward. So that's how else statement works. So there is one more concept called elif statement. So elif statement, what we will do is, let's take, we have multiple conditions. So we have something like, if the distance between the car and the obstacle is less than or equal to 2, the car must stop. And if the distance between the car and the obstacle is equal to 3, that time we must turn left. If the distance between car and obstacle is equal to 4, that time we must turn right. And if for other condition, we must just move forward. So we got, here we have 4 conditions. So we didn't define anything for 3, 4 and all, right? So even if you put 3 here, we will get move forward only, because we didn't define anything for 3, but we know that we must turn left when 3 must come. That's where elif statements comes into the picture. So the syntax of elif statement is same as like if statement only, but with a very simple change. So condition response. This is the syntax of elif statement. Just instead of if, put elif. That's it. So here also indentation is there. For anywhere in this if statement, else, elif, for all things you must do proper indentation, otherwise it will show indentation error. This you must keep in mind. It is very important. So elif, what is the condition here? Distance between is equal to 3. You know about this operator, conditional operator, double equal to 3. We must turn left. And one more condition, what it is, Elif distance between equal to 4, turn right. So if you execute it, now you can see turn left, and if we put 4 here, we can see turn right. So all the conditions work perfectly. Now what if the condition is not met? That time let's take 7. Now as you can see, we didn't get any error, we got move forward, because this else block will be called if none of these 3 statements condition is successful. So this is as simple as that. If this condition is false and this condition is also false and this condition is also false, and keep on going, you can add infinite number of elif statements in a program. There is no end for adding elif statements. You can add elif here and add one more condition and add response. You can keep adding like that, and at last you must put else statement. You should not put the other way, like this is totally wrong, because else statement must be at the last. So what all things we learned today? We learned about if, elif, else statement, and why it is very important.